of class 4th A. Today is Mother's Day, so I am making fruit cream for my mother. Let's start it. First, this is fruit cream. This is banana, grapes, orange, sugar, pomegranate, mango, apple, and we also have a bowl and this is ruabza. And we have some Mother's Day tag. Now we will add fruit cream. Now we will mix all fruits. Our fruit cream is ready. Now decorate the glass. Now we will put a tag and now we will place the glass in a tray. Now our fruit cream is ready. Thank you.